It's your man, Jimmy Chan. All right, so I'm given a bunch of cardinal numbers of different sections in this graph here. In fact, why don't I make this a little bit more accessible by bringing it into the picture like this, right? All right, so the universal set has 125. That means everything in here is 125. Everything in there. Not region 8. Region 8 doesn't have 125. It's 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 gives me 125. Okay? A is all of this. That's going to give me 40. And B has 60. C has 36. A intersect with B means zone 2 and 5 has 15. A and C, so 4 and 5 has 18. B and C, that means 5 and 6 has 14. And then in here, there is 8. So in here, there is going to be 8 right in here. Okay. All right, so there's 8 in there. So essentially, it's probably better off that I worked backwards, right? So I dealt with the 8 part. Okay? Okay, if that's the case, now I can go back and say, okay, let's look at the B and C. Actually, let me use different colors now. The B and C, or intersect C, is 14, right? Which is the region 5 and 6 is 14. Since that's 8, this must be 6. All right. Then I can go A and A intersects C. Well, A intersects C is the region 2 and 5. And since that's 18 and that's 8, then this must be 10. And then I have A intersect B. Oopsies. I did something wrong here. That 10 doesn't belong there. That 10 was A and C, so it's actually region 4 and 5. So this part is 10. That's better. And then A intersect B, which is 15 of them, is the 2 and 5. Since that's 8, this must be 7. All right. Okay. Now we can go a little bit further, and let's look at just this right here. So the cardinal number of just the whole C is 36, right? So if I have N of C is equal to 36, what that is, N of C is equal to 10 plus 8 plus 6 plus region 7. Right? So that means I have to add all these together, which gives me 24, subtract it from the 36. So this is going to be 12. Okay? So I should have actually said it this way instead. This might help more. So I know that that is going to be 36. And the 36 is going to be equal to the 10 plus the 8 plus the 6 plus the region 7. That doesn't look very good. It doesn't look as good as this, does it? So let me duplicate this and throw it up here. There we go. So let's just make sure of that. So that's 36 minus the 10 minus the 8 minus the 6. 36 minus the 10 minus the 8 minus the 6. What is going on? Yep, that's 12, all right. Okay, so if I continue on, the B, the whole B is, so N of B is equal to 60. Well, that's going to equal to the 7 plus the 8 plus the 6 plus the region 3. All right? So that means my region 3 is going to be my 60 minus the 7 minus the 8 minus the 6. So that's going to give me a 39. And then if I look at region A, well, N of A is equal to 40. And that's going to equal to the 7 plus the 8 plus the 10 plus region 1. There we go. So that's going to be 40 minus 7 minus 8 minus 10, which is going to be 15 in here. Okay. So the cardinal number of the whole thing is 125. So I would take the 125 and subtract every single one of these regions to get that last spot. So I would do the 125 minus 15 minus 7 minus 39 minus 10 minus 8 minus 6 minus 12, and that is going to give me a 28. That's out here. That's not within any of those circles whatsoever. But this is asking me for region 3 anyways. And region 3, as you can see, that is going to be 39, which is choice D. And there you go. And I hope that helps. Any questions, let me know. Later.